Yes, and a good morning, and a good afternoon, and good evening. I'm your only brother. I just want to pass this information to everybody. When I be say they outside the country, from Nigeria, outside the country, even Africa country you dey, when they participate for wetin dey happen for Nigeria, say Nigeria not good, some say good, some say not good, some say good. You no understand? If una wan dey check something, where you dey right now, if na Europe country, where you dey now, shey you dey okay? At least you dey get light 24 hours. You dey see better road dey drive pass, abi? You dey job dey, if you go apply for job, you see job, abi? Tell no be your country o. Some day now they dey pay the monthly payment. You see they get your own money for your work. Come to our country here, Nigeria. Nothing like that. Nothing the youth with the youth they benefit. Then now election don dey come now, different states now, election don dey come now. Many they come out, this one they come out, this one they come out. Una they participate, una they show una self. They do say na this one good pass, na this one good fat. My let una know, nobody when be say good pass. Now make God touch your mind, make they do wetin the people want. That's wetin they pray for. No be say you dey outside country or you dey any Africa country, you call from that side they trust to give people when be say they are say Muna support this person. Now they cause them, now they do this one, Muna support this one. Not be by force to support anybody when be say they want support. Now their mind, now their choice to make their own choice. Say this person I want vote for. Because this election, mostly this Edo State on, since every the year of election, this Edo State on pass, be careful. Since when we start all the year of election, this one when we say they want to do, this one what they want to do now. Waiting different when we say, as in, now only God go fit tell waiting different for this election when they want to do. So no be lie, because the way things they go now, election day never have reached now. Shooting does start. What of the May election day? Wetin go happen? And they just take everything easy, more embrace peace. Because all this one be say with the people who be say with the fight for the care ourselves, for mama they die, papa they die, children they die because of all these people. So one of their children not in that country. One of their children not in that country. Their wife not in their country. Apart from maybe they go be maybe family relation will be say see they fast money I go dey that country. And you said where they every day so security go there with them. But for our own now, no security, but we dey die every day. Go fight, you go choke person, they go keep person because of people when be say they want enter power. When they enter power finish, that line will be say that they used to they reach when you say they feel they get you say when I vote for me, you not go again. You don't understand? When I did they kill themselves because of waiting on no go benefit from. Once they give on maybe they give on 1,000, they give on 2,000 for that before the election day, before any other thing. They win now, they don't enter that place now, it don't finish. Then you not go hear of them again. Don't be like more use our brain because all these people will be so with the fight for so they not get our time. Once they don't enter now, it don't finish. They not get our time. We did that they fight for people when we say they not even send us. Come on work, they not go give us job as in I don't understand, no better school, no road. If you no let you say okay, may you drive speed now. If you drive now, before you know from here to here now, you'll see Porto. If you cannot take you jump better. Just see that they have for there every day. Now Porto the custom. Now school you want talk. Wait till the children they benefit from for the country. Children from where they born from that kind 1 year to 18 years, wait till they benefit for the country. The election don't come now, and they kill themselves. They never have reached now. They shoot each other. They shoot people. They shoot people. Yeah, all those our mama. I'm gonna sit down house. So those our papa. I'm gonna sit down house because when I join people when be say man, when I push some children, put for inside that Libya road, some die for inside that Mediterranean Sea when be say man, till today they not the year of them again. When I join because if when I not vote, if when I build where say okay this thing, see person what we want, see what we want for future. These kind of things not go dey happen. I did then I just in a car you come give on 1K, all of your pack come out, go dey show us see the way people collect gun, see the way people Short, I beg, I just a verse, no be lie. The country, when they just find, if not to share them, they share them, everybody there own show. If na Nigeria good pass I dey, if na Biafra good pass I dey, no be say we call it deceive ourselves, say one thing, more do this one, they killing, na shooting of police, when police they kill every day. I been na the one you go around they do. Short, I beg, I don't tire. If not to share the company, they share the country. If they want sell me, they give us our own money. If not 2,000 more, no say na 2,000 reach I want for the country. Everybody find way come up for the country.